Korean Film Technique, Week 2. Arugula. Spinach. Tomato plant. Arugula. Flower. As you can see, the water comes in here, enters this back tube, and flows down this channel, watering all the roots. Gets to the end, goes around that corner, comes back. Each one of these has a plug. You can see the roots sit in that channel. That just keeps them from blowing over. These are doing the best here. And as the water returns, it comes out down this tube into an igloo container. This is the Week 2 update.